In today's video, we're going to go over 4 more examples of how to add integers. If you're new to adding integers, I have several videos on the topic, and I have links for them in the description. If you want to see the video that lays out the rules for adding integers, check out that video up top. Let's review these rules real quick. When you're adding all positive integers, your answer will always be positive. When you're adding all negative integers, your answer will always be negative. When you're adding both positive and negative integers together, you will subtract the absolute value of your integers, with your answer being the sign of the integer with the largest absolute value. Because adding all positive and adding all negative integers together is pretty straightforward, we'll focus these next 4 examples on just adding those that are positive and negative together. Let's look at our first example. What is negative 45 plus positive 15? The rule says subtract the absolute value of the numbers. Remember, the absolute value is nothing more than making both of these numbers positive. So remove the negative sign and subtract 45 minus 15. That answer is 30. Now we evaluate to see which one has the highest absolute value. 45 is greater than 15. 45 is a negative integer, so our answer will be negative. Example 2. What is positive 105 plus negative 73? Let's take the absolute value of these numbers, which means we're going to take 105 minus positive 73, and we're going to get 5 minus 3 is 2, and we can say 10 minus 7 is 3, so 32. The absolute value of 105 and 73, 105 is clearly larger, and it's positive. So our answer is positive 32. In example 3, let's look at negative 49 plus positive 16. First step again is to subtract the absolute values, which is 49 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 1 is also 3. We have 33. Looking at the absolute values, 49 and 16, 49 is larger. 49 is a negative integer, so our answer will be negative. Last example. What is positive 500 plus negative 107? We're going to set this up to be a standard subtraction problem, making the 107 negative. We'll come over here and we will borrow and make that 9 and this 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 4 minus 1 is also 3. 393. The absolute value of 500 is larger than the absolute value of negative 107. So because 500 is positive, our answer will also be positive. Now that you've been through these 4 examples, see if you can get the bonus question on your own. What is negative 52 plus positive 89? Drop your answer in the comments below. Good luck! If you found the video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and a subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. If you have a topic you want to see covered, drop me a comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.